Hello students, so we were discussing group 16 elements and we have already discussed oxygen and ozone, and today we will discuss sulfur and its properties and few compounds of sulfur, for example sulfur dioxide, trioxide and sulfuric acid. So first of all, please write sulfur. The first topic is allotropic forms of sulfur. Homocyclic species, 6 to 20 atoms of sulfur. Okay. There are many allotropic forms which scientists have discovered. So one type is a homocyclic species which contains 6 to 20 atoms of sulfur. The two very important are yellow monorhombic and monoclinic. It's also known as alpha sulfur. This is beta sulfur. It can be prepared by evaporating sulfur with carbon disulfide in china dish. It can be prepared by melting sulfur in china dish. Okay. This is more stable. It is less stable. When soluble in water. But soluble in CH2, alcohol, ether, etc. Okay. One form is cyclo H6 form, and one kind of species are different chains of sulfur. It exists in it is known as plastic or X sulfur. It can be prepared by by putting molten sulfur in water. One is small chains of 2 to 4 atoms. It exists in liquid sulfur. तो ये कुछ एलोटॉपिक फॉर्म्स हैं. कुछ होमोसाइक्लिक स्पीशीज होती हैं विच कंटेन 6 to 20 एटम्स, जैसे मोनोरोम्बिक, मोनोक्लिनिक, मोनोरोम्बिक या रोम्बिक. ये हमने एलोटॉपिक फॉर्म्स पहले भी पढ़ी हुई अपने लोअर क्लासेस में. हाँ, इतना डिटेल में नहीं पढ़ी है. सो अल्फा सल्फर कैन बी प्रिपेयर्ड बाय इवेपोरेटिंग सल्फर विद CS2, whereas monoclinic can be prepared by melting sulfur in a china dish. Yellow one is more stable, it's less stable, and yellow one is insoluble in water but soluble in some organic solvents like CS2, ether, alcohol, etc. Then we have a cyclo S6 form, and one of the allotopic form is different chains of sulfur, where it's known as plastic sulfur or X sulfur. It can be prepared by putting molten sulfur in water. And then we have small chains of sulfur of 2 to 4 atoms. It exists in liquid sulfur. Okay. So these are some allotopic forms of sulfur. And next we'll discuss a very important compound of sulfur, that is sulfur dioxide. Next is sulfur dioxide. First write preparation. Can be prepared by S8 plus O2 will give SO2. Can be also prepared by sodium sulfite plus sulfuric acid will react to form sodium sulfate plus SO2 plus H2O. Can be also formed by sulfates of less active metal CSO4, we can say. For example, copper, which is less reactive than hydrogen. Copper plus concentrated H2SO4 will react together to form copper sulfate plus SO2 plus H2O. So these are few methods of preparation of SO2. Next we will see properties of SO2. Properties of sulfur dioxide. Acidic nature. It is acidic in nature, and SO2 will dissolve in water to form sulfurous acid. Next is action of lime water. CaOH twice plus SO2 will form CaSO3 plus H2O, which is milky Okay, CaSO3 plus H2O plus SO2 in excess will form CaHSO3 okay, and this is soluble in water. So जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं कि कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड होती है, जब उसको लाइम वाटर से पास कराते हैं तो इट अपीयर्स टू बी मिल्की, और जब एक्सेस में पास कराते हैं तो इट बिकम्स कलरलेस. तो सेम जो चीज है वो SO2 के साथ भी होती है. SO2 को भी अगर लाइम वाटर से पास कराओगे इट विल बिकम मिल्की, और एक्सेस में पास कराओगे तो इट बिकम सॉल्युबल. तो ये लाइन आते ही हमारे दिमाग में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ही चलता है, बट जरूरी नहीं कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड हो, सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड भी हो सकता है. नेक्स्ट इज it is non-supporter of combustion. Neither combustible nor supporter of कंबशन. ना तो ये खुद जलता है ना ये सपोर्ट करता है, बट few reactions show combustion properties due to high heat of reaction. We'll see the examples of these reactions. For example, carbon plus SO2 will form CO2 plus sulfur. It seems to be combustion reaction. Mg plus SO2, MgO plus S, K plus SO2 will form K2SO3 plus K2S2 O3. So these are the reactions which seems to be combustion due to high heat of reaction. Next is their reducing properties. सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड इन +4 स्टेट वांट टू गो टू +6 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट, तो खुद ऑक्सीडाइज होगा तो सामने वाले को रिड्यूस करेगा. तो इट इज वेरी गुड, इट हैज वेरी गुड रिड्यूसिंग प्रॉपर्टीज एंड इट्स वेरी गुड ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. ओके, SO2 plus H2O will form H2SO4 plus nascent hydrogen. Example, हैलोजेंस को रिड्यूस करके हैलोजन हैलो एसिड्स बना देता है, और वी कैन राइट एंटायर हैलो एसिड्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, Cl2 plus SO2 plus H2O will form HCl plus H2SO4. You can reduce KMnO4 plus SO2 plus H2O will form K2SO4 plus H2SO4 plus MnSO4. Next, K2Cr2O7 plus H2SO4 plus SO2 will form K2SO4 plus Cr2SO4 thrice plus H2O. फाइन, तो पिंक वायलेट कलर का KMnO4 को ये कलर चेंज कर देता है. ओके, इट विल डिकलराइज KMnO4. और यहाँ पे जो ऑरेंज कलर का K2Cr2O7 है, इट विल चेंज इनटू अ ग्रीन कलर ड्यू टू अ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ Cr3 plus ion. These are few examples of the reducing property of sulfur dioxide. बाकी वी कैन सी जो नॉर्मल है कि ये +3 को रिड्यूस करके Fe+2 में कन्वर्ट कर देगा. HiO3- को I में कन्वर्ट कर देगा. And PbO2 plus SO2 will form PbSO4. So these are few examples of reducing properties of sulfur dioxide. Next is their bleaching properties. Colored vegetable matter plus SO2 plus H2O will convert into a colorless matter. Due to a presence of SO2 plus H2O gives H2SO4 plus nascent hydrogen. This nascent hydrogen is responsible for bleaching properties of sulfur dioxide. Next is oxidizing properties of sulfur dioxide. For example, H2S, 2S, H2S plus SO2 will give S plus H2O. K plus SO2 will give K2SO3 plus K2S2O3. So these are examples of oxidizing properties. Some more: carbon monoxide will oxidize to carbon dioxide. Okay. Next is addition reaction. For example, SO2 plus O2 gives SO3. Okay. SO2 plus Cl2 will give SO2Cl2, thionyl chloride. Na2O2 plus SO2 will form Na2SO4. Next is reaction with PCl5 plus SO2 will give SOCl2 plus POCl3. So these were the properties of sulfur dioxide, chemical properties of sulfur dioxide, and these are the common reactions which normally sulfur dioxide exhibit. Next very important compound of sulfur is H2SO4. H2SO4 sulfuric acid, we all know that it's an acid as well as it acts as a very strong oxidizing agent in various forms. So we'll discuss the properties and structure of H2SO4 and sulfate ion. Sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Okay. First of all, preparation. S8 plus O2 will give SO2. Iron pyrite, for example, FeS plus O2 can also give Fe2O3 plus SO2. These are basically a basis of the contact process. Contact process is the manufacturing of H2SO4. SO2 plus half of O2 will give SO3. It's a reversible reaction. Fine. Now, इसमें एक चीज का ध्यान रखना, हमें पता है कि SO3 plus H2O gives H2SO4. ठीक है ना? But SO3 cannot be mixed directly with water. Due to formation of very dense fog. ठीक है? जब हम SO3 को सीधे वाटर में डालेंगे तो इट विल फॉर्म अ वेरी डेंस फॉर्म ऑफ H2SO4, जिसको कंडेंस करना इतना इजी नहीं होता. इसलिए हम लोग क्या करते हैं, SO3 को H2SO4 में डिसॉल्व करते हैं. इट विल फॉर्म ओलियम ऑफ H2S2O7. ओके, फिर यहां से H2SO4 निकालना कंपैरेटिवली इजी होता है. फाइन. नेक्स्ट विल स्टडी द केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज. Acidic nature, two-step ionization. ठीक है. H2SO4 one step, फिर second step, so it gives 2H plus ions. Dehydrating agent, CH3CH2OH, concentrated H2SO4 at 443 Kelvin, CH2 double bond CH2 plus H2O, oxalic acid, concentrated H2SO4 on heating will give CO plus H2O C12H22O11 sucrose concentrated H2SO4 will give 12 molecules of 12 mole of carbon and 11 molecules of H2O. So H2SO4 can also be acting as a dehydrating agent in many organic reactions and many inorganic reactions. Drying of gases. Many gases which do not react with H2SO4 can be dried by passing through them H2SO4. Gases like HCl, O2, N2, F2, etc. Okay, so these gases are non-reactive with H2SO4, can be dried by passing through concentrated H2SO4. Then oxidizing properties. H2SO4 will give H2O plus SO2 plus nascent oxygen, and this nascent oxygen will provide oxidizing properties. कार्बन को कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड में कन्वर्ट कर देता है ये. C plus H2SO4 will form H2O plus SO2 plus CO2. Sulfur can convert into sulfur dioxide. S plus H2SO4 will give H2O plus SO2 plus H2O. Okay. So then reaction with less reactive metals like copper plus H2SO4 will react to form CuSO4 plus SO2 plus H2O. ठीक है. So H2SO4 can oxidize carbon, sulfur, copper, Fe2 plus 2 Fe3 plus. Okay. So general examples that we have already seen in the past section. Generally ये elements को substance को oxidize करता है because it's a very good oxidizing agent. Next is reaction with salts. With dilute acid, Zn plus H2SO4 ZnSO4 with liberation of hydrogen. Next is with concentrated H2SO4 CF2 plus H2SO4 will form CSO4 plus HF. So it is basically reaction with their metal salts. will form NHSO4 plus HCl. Fine. Br minus and I minus cannot react because it reduces H2SO4 to SO2. And itself to Br2. So Br minus और I minus इन reactions में participate नहीं करेंगे because अगर जो HBr और HI बनता है वो further it's a oxidizing agent, तो क्या करते हैं वो it's a reducing agent, so H2SO4 को reduce कर देते हैं into SO2 और खुद Br minus से Br2 में convert हो जाते हैं. So Cl और Br की reactions यहाँ पे नहीं होंगी. Next, precipitation reaction. BaCl2 plus dilute H2SO4 will give BSO4 plus 2 HCl. BSO4 is white PPT. Okay. Next we'll see structure of sulfate ion. Sulfur is sp3 hybridized and show resonance. Okay. So एक बार डबल बॉन्ड यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, नेगेटिव चार्ज यहाँ पे चला जाएगा, एक बार डबल बॉन्ड यहाँ आ जाएगा, नेगेटिव चार्ज यहाँ चला जाएगा, फिर एक बार डबल बॉन्ड यहाँ आ जाएगा, नेगेटिव चार्ज यहाँ चला जाएगा. So it shows resonance, and that's why all these four bonds, all these bond lengths are equal. Fine. Next, we'll see the third part of this chapter, that is the halogen family.